Hey everyone, welcome back to useNfix, where we'll be showing you another tutorial video on the topic how to fix your BeReal not sending you code. If you're having trouble with the BeReal not sending you a code, then you are not alone. This issue is more common than you might think. But don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. Starting from the simplest and working our way up, so stick with me till the end. One of these is bound to work. Let's start with the quickest fix, airplane mode. Go ahead and turn it on from your notification bar and then wait for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back off. Next, try logging in into BeReal again. You'd be surprised how often this simple trick does the job. Next, let's see if there's an update available for BeReal on your Play Store or App Store. Go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store and then go to search and then search for BeReal. Then go ahead and click on the option of BeReal and see if there's an update button. Sometimes login issues happen because you're using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest bug fixes and improvement. If updating didn't help, it's time to clear cache. Go ahead and open your app settings and then go to search and then search for app. Then click on the options of apps and then scroll down until you see BeReal. Once you see it, click on the option and then scroll down and click on the option of storage. Now on the bottom right of your phone, you'll see the option of clear cache. So hit on the option of clear cache. If you're on iPhone, the closest solution is deleting and reinstalling the app, which we'll get into in a second. And if none of that helped, go ahead and delete the app, the BeReal, from your phone and then reinstall it again with all the latest files and bug fixes. In many cases, this is the final fix that solves stubborn problems. And there you go, one of these methods should have helped you get back into your BeReal account. If it did, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.